Hi guys, I'm Teriellen and today I'm going to be making some slime with the So Slime DIY kit. Right, let's get opening the box. Okay, so here we have everything set out. And I'm going to tell you the categories that we have. These are the neon colours. This is the pastel colours. And these are the metallic. These are all your glitters and confettis here. And here we have some cold water. We have tubes that you can put like the glitter or confettis in. And then we have the shakers, I think, to store your slime. So now I'm going to get on with my first slime, and it's going to be a neon slime. Right. So I'm going to make the purple neon slime. And you have to stir it with the spatula for 10 to 20 seconds. Add some silver stars to it. I'm going to cut it open. And remember, parent supervision with scissors. Don't pour too much glitter or confetti in because it might ruin it at the moment. And now we stir. Alright, so you need to stir the slime for 2 minutes. And then you have to let it set for 5 minutes with the lid off. As you can see, it's already starting to form. Alright, let's wait 5 minutes and see what it does.
A few moments later.
It's been 5 minutes and the slime has like really started to get really nice and sticky and stuff. And also with the pack you get some stickers and like 100% original So Slime DIY and made by stickers. You can stick them on the container. So now I'm going to aerate it. If it's a little bit like, if it's not runny and sticky, sort of when you, after 5 minutes, just mix it for another 10 to 20 seconds. And it'll be good. As you can see, it's starting to form now. I'm using the green one for the purple slime. Let's just use that. We have a little yellow UFO cat. You have a poop. My fave animal. I'm going to add one of the creatures or 1,000 poops and flats in my slime, and you guys will have to guess which one down in the comments below. Right, I'm going to add one. Alright, so I've added one of the like creatures and stuff. Make sure it's like, you can hear a click, and I'm going to add the So Slime DIY sticker, like that. So here's the purple starry slime. Alright, I'm going to make some blue slime with heart confetti and gold glitter. I'm stirring it now for 10 to 20 seconds. Now I'm going to add the gold glitter and the confetti. Now I'm going to stir it for 2 minutes. Now just take the lid off and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now it's time to aerate it. Right, so now I'm going to put it in the container. Right, I think now it's done. Just like before, we're going to do the stickers. The blue slime is done. So now I want to move on to the last slime, the pastel. Now we're going to be making a pink pastel slime. Try not to spill it on you. You've got to stir as soon as you put the powder in. So now I'm probably going to add my glitter. Alright, so now I'm going to put some really cool squirt confetti. Safety kids. Now I'm going to put the lid on, and now you're going to stir hardly for 2 minutes. I'll see you back in 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, this is my favourite slime. It's going to be unicorn poo.
So,
This is going to be the bomb slime. Alright, so now you have to let it sit for 5 minutes with the lid on. Alright, so now you have finish! Where is it? Alright, so now you have to let it sit 5 minutes.
it's fine.
Alright, so now it has been 5 minutes. So I'm going to aerate this beautiful unicorn blood.
You can't say that on YouTube.
So now I'm going to aerate this beautiful unicorn poop.
Eat it. No, just don't do it.
This is like the best slime I've made so far. Today, I'm only going to be making 3 slimes with the So Slime DIY kit. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.
You
Thank you.
haven't finished your slime.
I finished it. And now
Oh.
Okay,
You're really...
I'm gonna pour the beautiful unicorn poop.
Yeah.
Try.
Sticky situation we got here.
I'm just gonna play with it.